Hey, it's Alex Ross, the boss here. Again, sorry for the wait. As promised, I'm bringing you some Ravnica Allegiance stuff. We already did the pre-release kit. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch the video. It's pretty cool. We're gonna get the new guild kits when they come out, and we got some stuff today to open. Right now we're gonna be opening up the Deck Builders Toolkit. These aren't that bad of a value for $20, or I don't think, because in it you get 4 booster packs. Apparently 3 are from recent sets. I don't know if they're random. They're probably not. 100 basic lands, deck builder's guide. We're not going to use that. And 125 cards from recent sets. And the box. The box is usable. The 125 cards used to be semi-random. That's what they called it. But now they're not. And 100 basic lands. So I think for the extra, you got to think if you bought 4 packs at the store, it's going to cost you like $16, maybe $12, depending on where you go. So for the extra little bit, you get the 100 lands, 125 cards, the box. I don't know. To me, it's worth it. I usually get them for every set. I do have the M19 one, but I already opened it before I started making videos, so I guess there's no point in really opening it. And then this slides off. And there's the box. Slide. Here's a little deck builder's guide. I like the art for that character. And then here, other side of the box, same. And you open it up, you got your packs. We'll look at what packs we got first. Yes. Let's see. I kind of figured what they'd be, but let's see. Dominaria, Core Set 2019, Guild Ravnica, and Ravnica Allegiance. So pretty much as I thought. The last 4 sets. This little space divider in the middle. Throw that out. They split them into like a bunch of starter decks now, which is kind of annoying. They're not actually like decks, but they split them up. It's kind of annoying. Let's see. I'm going to start with this growth spiral one. See, one of them is probably going to be full of lands. I have a feeling it might be this one. No, it wouldn't be this one. It's instant. Yeah, they mixed the lands, and I don't like that either. But oh well. And it's from recent sets, it says, so I'm assuming they're all not going to be, yeah, they're all not Nickel Allegiance. And you never get anything too crazy in these cards. Martial hands. Oh, shoot. Alright. These are the lockets. Is it a locket? Give me a locket. You see all the lockets. Move it the other way. I don't like it one the other way. At least you get some of the guild gates and stuff. It's alright. Some more lands. I guess we'll just go ahead and stick them back in the box as we open them. That's what we're going to watch this video anyway. I actually don't like this box. Why is the box bigger than the cards? They can shake around a lot now. Who did that? I think you get like 4 or 5 irrelevant rares in this too. But I guess it's kind of like the Planeswalker decks I always get. If you notice, I always get those for every set. Oh, it's all good fun. Alright. We got 2 more stacks. It's going to be a little bit longer video because there's a lot of stuff that comes in these. Arctic crab. I like him. Sorry. Boris, I like it. Whoa. Sorry. Very bright. Whispering Snake. I don't know why I was already looking at that card. It was just art. Alright. One more stack in the call it in this bolt. I can't get it open. Hold on. There we go. Sorry about that. Shivering Dragon. I guess these are rares. Sarah's Guardian. I mean, it's okay, but it's a lot of mana. Full assortment of rares. Alrighty. Well, that's the last stack. If anything good is gonna happen, it's gonna happen here. And the boosters. We're gonna go in this order. Hold Clenching Armor. I like that card. I forgot that was back. I think the only reason I like that card is from using it back in the day. On the Planeswalker game, like the 2011 one, I think. And then, Ravnica. Who are these people? Oh, wow. Mythic Rare. Well, that's pretty good. Out of 4 packs. Well, alright, Dominaria. I like this set a lot. A lot. I like if I'm playing it. Are they going to do sagas again, or are they just gone? Or is there more of them and I'm just looking stupid right now? I don't know. Yeah. Well, nothing too fancy in here. Last pack, last hope. I guess we already got a mythic. We can't ask for much more, right? What are these people? Okay. Electro Dominance. And there you have it. There was the Deck Builders Toolkit. I hope you enjoyed it. Alex Ross the Boss. Like, comment, subscribe. Please watch my other videos. Let me know if you want to see more Magic. Let me know if you don't want to see Magic at all. I have other TCGs coming. The Final Fantasy one was not that popular, so we are not going to probably do that for a while. It's going to be shelved, at least for now. Unless you want it back, tell me. Other than that, yeah, watch my videos. Follow me on Instagram. Alex Ross the Boss. Thank you.